Hi, welcome to CATIA tutorials. For more videos, please subscribe the channel and like the videos. In this class, we are going to learn about the fourth drawing. So let's select the plane, exit workbench. Sorry, this is the sketcher mode. So here I want to draw a small rectangle, right? Coincidence with this vertical axis. Now its length is 75 and the width is 50. Okay, here we have a small cut in drawing. So again I am selecting a rectangle box. Its depth is 25 mm and its width is 12 mm. This is the block height. So let's consider with that coincidence, and its height from here to here 25. Okay, now there is this one. Okay, this is the base part of the sketch with a thickness 12 mm. So I exit the workbench, select the pad and give the dimension 12, select the reverse direction. Always I am giving reverse direction because it makes easy for us to draw a sketch above this plane. Okay, preview. Okay, this is the base part and I want this plane now for another sketch. Okay, here this guy given. Its length is 20 and up to angle is not mentioned. So let's close this box. So we need to know this line length. Total length is 75 and here you mention it is 20. So 75 minus 20, 55. 55 length it is. So exit the workbench, again select the pad. Here thickness is 25 mm. Preview. Okay, this is the model according to our sketch. So guys, this is the model finally. Okay, let's see another model. Thank you. Thanks for watching CATIA tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.